So the judge didn't totally dismiss the preliminary hearing. Is there a way to get other charges dismissed? You bet. We're going to talk about that strategy in this video. Hi everyone, Attorney Joe McPeak with Virtuoso Criminal and DUI Lawyers. So I talked already in one video about whether you can get your case dismissed entirely at a preliminary hearing, and in another situation where nothing's going to get dismissed, but you want to play what I call the long game. Just use the preliminary hearing to develop a trial theory further or develop further negotiations. In this video, I'm going to talk about an angle where you might get certain charges dismissed. And in that situation, maybe the case is not going to get dismissed entirely, but some charges might get dismissed. This is relevant because the difference in time you might face going forward matters in terms of what charges are held and what charges are not. Are you fighting a sex case, for example, where one of the allegations leads to a potential life sentence? Is that charge dismissible while the other charges remain? There's a big difference, for example, between sexual offenses done with force and without force. I mean, those are other situations that come up. Is there alleging what's called a great bodily injury enhancement? Is the injury alleged actually qualify as great bodily injury? Because if it doesn't, then getting that enhancement can be a pretty big deal because that's another 3 years worth of exposure you don't have to worry about. These are all things that are worth fleshing out in a preliminary hearing, and they may apply to your case. It may be one of the strategies that applies to you. So if you're facing a felony case in California, talk to your lawyer about whether a preliminary hearing judge might dismiss certain charges or enhancements without dismissing the whole thing. And that might reset the tone of your case.